All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I just want to give a quick update on XReason. I'm testing GPT-4 Omni, and it's blowing my mind. The performance characteristics are unreal. Price has come down significantly from GPT-4, and I believe it's at least 50% less than GPT-4, maybe even more. Let's go ahead and just run a quick task. For those of you who don't know, XReason is a framework for it's a TypeScript and React framework to build agents. It's a reasoning engine basically, and it leverages XState under the hood and expresses solutions to problems as a state machine. And you saw how fast just now the model came back with this solution for my task. And over here I can see the outline of my state machine, which gets blown up into a full-blown XState machine and executed as code using an algorithm. But here you can see that the model correctly reasoned through all of my tasks. I'm going to go ahead and use the recalled solution. Behind the scenes, the model has figured out, since I'm using that recalled solution, it's okay to transition to create marketing and generate product image. Right now, I'm just using notional components. They don't display anything. It just transitions through. But another update here, beyond the speed and performance, and also it's a good instruct model. It's following my instructions very well. It built this little component here to save stuff for me. So I can save these solutions, but I'm going to go ahead and just reload one. So if I just reload this solution, we can see below it's correctly loaded my create new product solution, which is substantially larger than the one I just showed you. And we can run that solution now. We've loaded it from local storage. We're going to go ahead and use this recalled solution. Right now it's going through a ingredients database search, which is also a component. Here I'm in expert review, where I can come in, I can make changes if I want to make changes. I can add new rows to my solution. I can add new ingredients, but we're just going to go ahead and submit. I'm going to put in some fake lab results here. And again, this is a notional example. Obviously, if you were using this to build software, it'd be much more in-depth software than what I'm showing you. It's just all I'm trying to show you is how to demonstrate the reasoning capabilities. And Omni created this whole component for me. So let's go ahead and just regenerate this solution. Omni created this whole component that displays the list of available solutions I've saved previously. It generates the save feature. So here, I think I'm going to just call this new marketing copy and image. Let's just go ahead and save that. You'll see it shows up on my list here. And if I want to delete that, I can just hit the delete button, and it even does the overlays to confirm. Omni built that for me in like 5 minutes, dude. I was shocked. Here's the code. I instructed it to use Blueprint.js, and I'll leave a link to the chat that I did with Omni in the video description. But it literally cranked this out in like 5 minutes, dude. And I mean, obviously, it didn't take that long for it to generate the code. There was some minor errors, and then I was like iterating, trying to figure out exactly how the behaviors I wanted in here. But it generated this, and it was basically error-free. I only had to correct like 3 things, and it correctly knew how to use Blueprint.js from Palantir Technologies. I use Blueprint in a lot of my React stuff just so it kind of mimics how Foundry is laid out. Blueprint's a really cool framework and includes things like this table component, which is pretty awesome. There's a lot of great components in Blueprint. I encourage you to check it out. It's a great little UI framework from Palantir. And if you want your apps to look like Foundry, this is a great way to do it, right? So yeah, I'm shocked with how good Omni is. Both, again, reasoning capabilities, instruct capabilities, code generation capabilities, and cost. This is a home run for sure.